Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackgear.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new RST TracTech Evo R one-piece race suit. The TracTech Evo R retails for just over $700, and this represents a tremendous amount of value in the one-piece race suit category. Let's dive into sizing first. That's one of the areas we can really help you guys with these reviews. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, about 197 pounds, 32-inch waist. I'm wearing a size 54 Euro or 44 US right now in the TracTech Evo R, and this gives me the fit that I would be looking for. This is a complete garment. It ships with CE Level 2 certified armor in the elbow forearm, shoulder, back, and hips. CE Level 1 armor is found in the knee and shin. In the second part of this video, I'm going to show you each one of those individual pieces. So with it having the back protector integrated right in it at a level 2, you don't have to pick up a standalone back protector. If you already have one and you prefer to ride with that, if it has a larger coverage area, then by all means remove the one that's in there now and go ahead and do that. But for riders shopping for their first suit, or if the standalone protector that you had and were using previously is just a POS, this is a nice unit. You can ride it and race in it as it stands right now. The cut of the suit is excellent. You'll notice that with RST, they seem to run just a little bit to the big side. They're cut just a little bit more robust, and they really tend to favor the American build, right? Even with this suit, like say in the midsection area, there's a fair amount of extra room in there right now, so there's a little room to grow. If I were to put on a little weight over the holidays, or just as the years go by, this is going to accommodate me. This fit me in this size because I've had this suit here in the office for, a few months now. We just haven't gotten to the review. And I was heavier earlier in the year, probably more like 210. It still fit me really, really well at that weight as well. So think more of a robust cut, plenty of mobility. This is a CE certified garment, fully CE certified, AAA rated. And that's, if you research that, some of the European sites that do break that down for you, that's really a big deal. They're testing abrasion and tear resistance, the impact protectors, the whole package has to pass in order to get that rating. So it's really a pretty big deal. With RST, when you look at the price point, some riders right away, they're like, well, there's got to be something wrong. The price is too affordable. It should sell for more. And then maybe they think you need to gravitate towards the higher end brands. They provide so much quality and value with their products that you can really save quite a bit on the budget without sacrificing performance or protection. This is fast becoming one of our best-selling apparel brands in 1 year, less than 1 year right now here at STG. And this is a brand we're going to be moving forward with for many seasons to come. Really excited about it. Other things I like about this suit. Tons of perforation. See all the perforation here in the upper torso, upper thigh. Got some perforated motion panels here. Excellent cut. It's really ergonomic, right? It allows you to move around on the bike and to be comfortable. It uses all max zips, high quality zip. Little TPR detail here to tidy up the cuff, which is trimmed in neoprene, so that's nice and lightweight. Replaceable elbow sliders, replaceable knee sliders. Really dig the knee sliders that RST is putting on their suits. They have great feel, great longevity, and like I'll show you in the second part of this video, I'll do it again now, is they come with this little pole. Like you can actually get these things off the suit. They're on there quite tight, but having that pole, that makes all the difference in the world. We've got an integrated knee slider, integrated shoulder slider, full cowhide construction, race level cowhide. This is a quality package. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part of the video. I'm going to take the suit off, take it apart as far as I can. The liner is not removable, but we're going to get all the armor out of it and just give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go. Inside out, the RST TracTech Evo R one-piece race suit. This comes with a level 2 certified CE back protector. It's installed in a pocket inside the suit. Level 1 soft shell armor in the knee and shin. Level 2 armor, soft shell again, in the elbow forearm, the shoulder, as well as the hip. The hip armor is removable if you choose not to use it. So is the back protector. Some people prefer to run with a standalone back protector. This would allow you to do that. You just simply have to go into the pocket and pull it out. Inside the suit, you'll find a 3D mesh liner. What this does is this maintains a pocket of air between the shell of the suit and your body. It works to keep you cooler and more comfortable. They even have that 3D mesh in the pocket for the back protector, so it preserves that functionality there. The liner of the suit is not removable. In my opinion, that's really not a big deal. To be fair, I don't pull the liners out of my suits and wash them. I really don't think a lot of people are doing that at this point. And there are some advantages to having a fixed liner. When you have a fixed liner, you never have to worry about it kind of pulling itself out when you pull your arm out of the suit or you pull your leg out of the suit. So it does take entry and exit and simplify that quite a bit. So you could look at it as almost a bonus in some ways. This suit offers a ton of perforation. Fully perforated here in the abdomen area, up here in the chest, fully perfed. The stretch fabric in the arms is going to allow for airflow to aid in cooling as well. Perforated panel here in the upper arm. Upper thigh, fully perfed. Perforated motion panels. You'll see every one of the stretch panels offers some perforation. Stretch fabric here, back of the leg, and the crotch area also offers airflow. Back of the suit, look at the size of that stretch panel. That is a massive stretch panel. It wraps all the way around to the front of the hips, really aids in mobility. See, we've got a big stretch panel that's used up here, all the way from the shoulder, and it wraps around to the chest in the front of the suit. This suit is really mobile for being a Class 3 CE certified piece. Race hump, a little more low profile than you see on some other suits. You're going to find a double layer of leather here in the seat. There is a little pad for the tailbone that is stitched in between those layers as well. To remove the armor in the knee and shin area, you simply just reach behind the mesh liner. The pocket is right there. It velcros in and out. If you want to service the armor that goes in the shoulder or in the elbow and forearm, there's a little pocket right here just underneath that back protector pocket. Zip that open. You can reach in and you can access the shoulder armor as well as the elbow and forearm armor. Your hip armor is found in this Velcro pocket right here on either side. This suit also includes an integrated shoulder slider. This works in conjunction with the shoulder armor to enhance protection in that area from abrasion as well as impact. Replaceable elbow sliders. If you can corner low enough to drag that, we can get you a replacement piece. Neoprene trim here in the cuff. All max zips. The knee pucks that come on this suit too, these are really nice. We've been using these on quite a few different brand suits right now. I've got a ton of these in the paddock. People love the feel, they love the longevity. And one of the coolest parts is this little pole they put on here. You can actually get these off your suit without having to go grab a screwdriver. They hold on really tight. Like I said, we're running those on Alpine Star suits, Tai Chi suits, RST suits, all types of brands that have this style of Velcro on it. There is also an integrated built-in knee slider that works in conjunction with the knee armor to enhance protection in that area. You see we've got a nice little motion panel here as well. All in all, what do I think of this suit? This is way under $1,000. This provides a tremendous amount of value. I would honestly put this on par with almost any suit out there that sells in that $1,000 price point. A ton of savings without any compromise of performance or protection. That's what RST is all about. The TracTech Evo R is a suit that's going to be at home for track days or club racing. Even if you're doing some Moto America stuff, right, and you're working on a budget, this is a quality piece that offers a great deal of protection, lots of performance. We like it here a lot.